Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. In my today's session, I'll be discussing about organizing function of management. What is organizing? Organizing is the function of management which follows planning. It is a function in which the synchronization and combination of human, physical, financial resources take place. All the three resources are important to get results. Therefore, organizational function helps in achievement of results, which in fact is important for the functioning of our concern. According to Chester Bernard, organizing is a function by which the concern is able to define the role positions, the jobs related, and the coordination between authority and responsibility. Hence, a manager always has to organize in order to get results. Functions of organizing. The first and the foremost function is identification of activities. All the activities which have to be performed in concern have to be identified first. For example, you have to prepare the accounts, making sales records, quality control, inventory control. All these activities have to be grouped and classified into units. Then we have departmentally organizing activities. In this step, the manager tries to combine and group similar and related activities into units or departments. This organization of dividing the whole concern into independent units and departments is called departmentalization. Then you have to classify the authority. Once the departments are made, the managers likely to classify the power and its extent to the managers. This activity of ranking or giving rank in order of a managerial position is called hierarchy. The top management is into formulation of policies, the middle management into departmental supervision, and the lower level into supervision of foremen. The clarification of authority helps in bringing efficiency in the running of a concern. This helps in achieving efficiency in running a concern. This helps in avoiding wastage of time, money, effort, in avoidance of duplication or overlapping of effort. This helps in bringing a smoothness in a concern working. Then fourthly, the function of organizing a coordination between authority and responsibility. Relationships are established among various groups to enable a smooth interaction towards achievement of organizational goal. Each individual is made aware of his authority and he or she knows whom they have to take orders from and to whom they are accountable and to whom they have to report. A clear organizational structure is drawn and all the employees are made aware of it. Then let's have a discussion about importance of organizing. Organizational structure is a network of relationships in which the work is divided into units and departments, which is called specialization. This division of work is helping in bringing specialization in various tasks of a concern, department, or a unit. Then, secondly, you have to well define jobs. Organizational structures helps in putting right man on the right job, which can be done by selecting people for various departments according to their qualification, skill, and experience. This is helping in defining the jobs properly, which clarifies the role of each and every person. Then the third, which is also very important, is organizational structures helps in clarifying the role positions to every manager, that is status quo. This can be done by clarifying the powers to every manager and the way he has to exercise those powers. Well defined jobs and responsibilities attached helps in bringing efficiency into managers' working. This helps in increasing the productivity and the overall performance. And fourthly, coordination. Organization is a means of creating coordination among different departments of the enterprise. It creates clear-cut relationships among positions and ensure mutual cooperation among individuals. Harmony of work is brought by higher levels of managers exercising their authority over interconnected activities of lower level managers as well. Then comes authority. Authority responsibility relationships can be fruitful only when there is a formal relationships between the two. For the smooth running of an organization, the coordination between different responsibilities and the relationships is very important. Clarity should be made for having an ultimate responsibility attached to every authority. There is a saying, authority without responsibility leads to ineffective behavior, and responsibility without authority makes a person ineffective. Therefore, coordination of authority and responsibility is very important. Then comes effective administration. The organization structure is helpful in defining the job positions. The roles to be performed by different managers are clarified. Specialization is achieved through the division of work. This all leads to efficient and effective administration. Then, fourthly, comes growth and diversification. A company's growth is totally depending on how effectively and smoothly a concern works. Efficiency can be brought about by clarifying the roles positions to managers, coordination between authority and responsibility, and concentrating on specialization. In addition to this, a company can diversify its potential growth. This is possible only when the organization structure is well defined. This is also possible through a set of formal structures. We can say that in the end that the organizing ensures the optimum utilization of human and material resources. In organizing, work is assigned as per knowledge and skill. The clarity in the job in advance of what the employees are supposed to do avoids confusion, and it motivates the employees to do their best in every possible situation. That is all from my side. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.